Welcome. Today I'm with REALME C11 2021 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open a notification bar and tap here on the Wi-Fi icon. So now that's turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap to the Wi-Fi icon again. So that's it. The second way is just go to settings, and here you'll see the networks and internet. Tap on that. And right there, just tap on the Wi-Fi switcher. As can you see, it's not connected. Just tap here, and right there you can see all the available networks. So for example, we'll go with this one, and now here we have to type the password. I'll tap over, and now tap to the connect. So as you can see, our device was successfully connected to this network. So that's it. If you wanna turn it off, just tap here on the Wi-Fi switcher. So that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.